5 games of hoops on Christmas Day. We got your top 10 plays right here on NBA.com at number 10. Luka declares war on the score as he gets a nifty 50 tonight, and this deep three, just a good example of what he was getting done at number 10. Moving along to number 9 for this little bit of crime on Kristaps. Rui Hachimura with the crossover, and then it's over. That's right, Rui in at number 9. At 8, Steph Curry, it wasn't his day, but he can still shoot the deep tray. Steph from range over Aaron gets the 3 to drop. That's in at number 8. At number 7, it's Kristaps' revenge. A rebound throwdown, and the King didn't even go up to challenge this stuff against 7'3". That's Kristaps in at number 7. At 6, Michael Porter Jr. That's nothing but pumpkin on the block. Then he goes the other way on the break, and that's only CP3 back there, so no hope as Michael Porter Jr. lays that one in. That's in at number 6. On to number 5, and Nikola Jokic hands off to Kentavious Caldwell-Pope. Then Michael Porter in short order right over the top of Jonathan Kuminga. That's good for number 5. At number 4, lazy pass alert from Kevin Durant, and Dante Exum wrecks him. We go the other way, and Derrick Jones throws it home. Cock it back and attack the rack. That one good for number 4, where we always get up off the floor. At number 3, did Damian Lillard see a ghost? Because after this move, he was toast. Jalen Brunson with a little lefty smitty, and then dealing to Isaiah Hartenstein, doing a little flying. That's good for number 3. On to number 2, and you know what's coming. Giannis is on this. Getting free at MSG, coming in from the Raptors. RJ Barrett thought he'd try, but he can't fly that high. Giannis stuffing it home at the throne. He's in at number 2, but at number 1, the star on top of our Christmas tree, it's Jamal Murray breaking free. Flying along the baseline, Jamal with the ball. That's all, y'all. Jamal Murray, number 1 on Christmas Day on the NBA.com. Cut it.